Hi guys, in today's video, a little bit different than the normal. I'll show you how to take out all of the water, and since the summer season is over, it's getting windier, colder. My swimming pool is all dirty and I got this problem, and for sure you have the same. How to take out the water completely if your pool is over the ground in a easy way.
This is a working siphon. Unaided by any machine, liquid is moving through a hose from one container to another.
I removed a lot of water using that valve over there, but it's simply not enough because the water reached a point that it's below that valve. That valve is not completely close to the bottom of the pool, so I got the remaining water to take out, and this was the simplest way to do without using external pumps, trying to flip the water over here on my grass and damage all. So I put already the hose inside. I'll connect it to the water. For a moment I'll be putting the water inside the pool, and then I'll take it out, put the hose on my ground, and let it go out by physics, plain and simple. See the hose there? I hope you can see. It's very sunny. So now the water is being drained. We'll go in a moment to the other side of the hose, and it will take a couple of hours, maybe until tomorrow, but at least I'll have the water drained out. And as you can see, the water is flowing by gravity using all methods in 2021. So small update, since I did that trick, it's already 2 hours. The water level is still going down. Like I said, around 1 day to be completely out of water. But yeah, the most important is that it works. So like mentioned yesterday, it will take roughly 1 day to take all of the water. So as you can see, the level on this side and the other side of the hose, it's almost exactly. So, and this water we can already remove by hand with no problem. So this is the method of siphoning. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, subscribe to the channel so you will have access to more videos like this with useful tips for your life.